Stand up.
On the record, in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan. This is Stanley Hayes, file number 22-00286. Mr. Hayes, today's the date set for an arraignment on a probation violation. I have here a request and summons for probation violation. The allegation is that you violated the terms of your probation status by failing to successfully complete outpatient substance abuse program at Reality Counseling. It said that you failed to participate in treatment as ordered by the court. And so because of that, you have the right to have a contested hearing on the violation. You have the right to be represented by counsel at the time of that contested hearing. If you're found to be in violation of your probation status can be extended, it can be revoked, or you can be sentenced to a term of jail time. Do you understand that? Remove your gum. You understand that?
Yes, but she told me to leave. I don't know.
I'm not asking, I only asked you one particular question. That's the only one I want to answer to, because I don't want you to waive any of your rights by saying anything extra without first understanding your right to be represented by an attorney at a hearing for the violation. So you understood what I stated there as it relates to the violation and the possible ramifications of that. Did you want to be represented by counsel?
I guess so.
Okay, I'll note here that you're requesting court-appointed counsel. And then they can contact you to see if they can help represent you for the purposes of a hearing on a probation violation. You were originally scheduled for arraignment on this violation last week. We saw you, but you would not start your audio.
I tried. When someone will try.
Yeah, we had the same issue when we had your underlying case too.
Right.
You had the same issue when you had your underlying case when your OWI was pending. You had the same issue with failing to start your audio when you was on Zoom.
I guess so. I couldn't hear anybody. I saw people.
Yeah, you had to start the audio though.
Well, it says audio on. I punched and punched.
It's not on until you can hear us and we can hear you.
Well, some reason it wouldn't come on, but I have since then took my phone to the shop, so it's better.
Okay, because I hate to have you have to come in here in person, but I had no other choice because you were there the whole time and we couldn't talk and
It should
communicate.
work now.
Okay, why don't you log into Zoom now then?
I left the phone.
Oh, okay, so
Can't bring them in.
it's in you can bring your phone into
Alright.
the building. It just has to be turned off during your court proceedings unless you're using it for the purposes of your court proceeding, but you can bring your phone in. But you should probably test it in advance. You should not wait until the day of. You can go in and log in the day before or whatever to test and make sure the audio is working. Otherwise, you're gonna have to appear in person, okay?
Well, my PO suggested that I tested with him, but since I had to come in person, I didn't call him about it.
Okay, well, you should still test it with your PO with someone else to make sure you're logging in properly, that there's no issues with your device and that your app is operating correctly, okay?
Okay.
We're gonna get you a hearing date. Let's see, we don't have a public defender here. What's that all about? Can you see our document? June 5th at 1:30. Okay, 1:30. Okay, we're gonna set this for hearing on June 5th at 1:30. We'll see if we can get a public defender to log in and get your information or updated information for the purposes of the intake, okay? Do you have any questions at this time?
No.
Okay, we'll get you a copy of the notice to appear as well. Thank you.